Detox diet plan. If you are desperate to lose weight efficiently, but in a natural way, a detoxification diet would probably be the best option for you. The detox diet plan is not mainly concentrated on shedding some pounds, but it will also detoxify your body from the toxic waste that have accumulated for a considerable period of time. Only until recently, many health experts have actively endorsed the idea of detoxification as a means of maintaining overall wellness. In view of the presence of chemicals in the environment and food intake, the detox diet plan is an important alternative to help individuals purge the accumulated toxic wastes and at the same time lose weight through natural and harmless means. The detox diet plan will work more effectively if complemented with other holistic health programs such as hydrotherapy and physical activities. An individual who is strictly following a detox diet plan can easily notice immediate results, which includes clarity of skin and better digestion, among others. However, it is generally advised to consult a healthcare provider before actually going through the detox diet plan, since not everyone will be a good candidate for detoxification diets. People who have heart diseases, cancer patients, and individuals with kidney problems are certainly not allowed to adopt the detox diet plan, since this would prove to be detrimental to their health. Furthermore, it should be given more emphasis that a detox diet plan should not be treated as a substitute for medication, since it mainly provides cleaning effects and does not in way claim to have curing properties. Individuals who are seriously contemplating on adopting the detox diet plan should also be aware that there have been a number of side effects that can directly be attributed to the detoxification process. This includes migraines, fatigue, and skin problems. However, the ill effects will only but for a short period of time. The detox diet plan is best for people who are on vacation, since it can possibly compromise an individual's performance in the workplace. The great thing about the detoxification diets is there are actually a variety of food products that you can enjoy while you are in the diet program. A typical diet plan would include fruits, vegetables, rice, fish, herbal tea, and large amount of water. Individuals are however encouraged to stay away from sugar, dairy products and eggs, wheat, starchy vegetables and food products with preservatives.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.